I'm going to show you in this video how to reset your change oil light on a Chevy or GMC vehicle. This is a 2003 Silverado 1500 HD, but I've had lots of GM vehicles, and they all pretty much work the same way to reset the oil light. I know it's the same for like the Express van, Tahoes, you know, Denali's, any Chevy pickup trucks, anything like that. What you're going to want to do is put your key to the on position. So just turn it like halfway, like that. And you'll see it says change oil right there. You can see the light. Right there, oil life is 0. And then you're going to want to press down on the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now it says oil light reset, as you can see. And then you just turn it on. And it says oil life reset. And then if I click here, oil life 100%. So that's the way you do it. It's super easy. Thanks for watching.